Welcome to Monster Review. Today we're going to look at the EK3000 mechanical keyboard. So we're just going to do unboxing and then I'll show some of the features and then we'll do a review. So this is the cover of the box. That's the back of the box. So first thing we see is the keyboard. We have a manual. It has, let's see, how many pages? 60 pages. Now some of it is in foreign language as well. So, and it does have some cables and a little adapter. Here's the cables. And it's quite long, which I really like. So next we're just going to cover the features and then we'll do a review. Okay, so here we have, it's in wired mode, Windows. You could turn to Bluetooth mode. Here's Windows and there's Mac. In the back, you have, and the house has cushion, so it can be a little bit elevated. Here's the volume up, down. And then we'll talk about how to change the lights and also how to connect the device. Okay, so to connect the device, you press F, Q, W, E. Make sure it's in Bluetooth mode, and then it'll pretty much show the parent aspect of it. Okay, so this is how you change the lighting. You can delete it. Then there's here, let's turn it on. We'll pick that one. Then you could brighten it, dim it, then you could change it, different colors. Allows you to do different things. Okay, let's go back to that. Then there's also this right here. I'll keep those lit. Same with that. So that's pretty much some of the functions. There's so much you could do on this. Like the page literally is like 60 pages long. Now it does have a lot of different languages. For the most part, it's like, let's see, I think it's like 10 pages in English. Yeah, so it just has 10 pages and it shows all the things you could do. But for the most part, I just wanted to show how that worked. So overall, I really like this keyboard. It has a lot of functionality. It doesn't lag. It also is small enough. I do wish it was a little bigger for, just my hand size, but for the most part, this will work well. I do think that the light is perfect. It's not too bright. It doesn't. It's not sore in the eye. Also, you could change the different settings. You could turn it off. You could turn down the light, turn up the light. The buttons feel very well made. I will say that this is probably one of the most well-made keyboards. It's very heavy, thick. It also has the lights on the side that you're able to control and do. But just very functional keyboard. I wish that they made a bigger size. So overall, if I had to rate this, I would rate it like a 9 out of 10. I think that this is a really good keyboard. I think that this is going to serve a lot of purposes. It's also small enough where it won't take a lot of space, especially if you're using it as a laptop and if you're carrying a laptop or bag, so it won't take a lot of space. And it's very durable because it's extremely well made. So great keyboard, highly recommend. I'll have a link down below on where to buy it. They make a lot of different products, headsets, keyboard. I think they make mouse and just a whole bunch of different things. Highly recommend. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Social media down below in the description. I will have a link for the keyboard, and we'll see you in the next video.